There's another something I want to show you here. There's a little meme here. You see this little meme? This means that you have to stop here. This is a lazim stop. Sabila. And you see this? This is a hamzatul wasal, which is actually used a lot in this mushaf. And wasal means a continuation. It's like the joining hamza. It's not something you need unless you are stopping at it. So like for instance here we would be stopping here. How would we read that? So this hamzatul wasal is required because when we how are we going to pick it up? Are we going to say attaha? Are we going to say ittaha? The rule is you look at the count the hamzatul wasal 1, 2, 3. You see what's on the third letter. On the third letter there's a fatha. So the first letter should also have a fatha, but that's where the rule is that no first letter can have a fatha, only if it's an alif lam. Alladhina, Allah, that'll always have a fatha on that hamzatul wasal. But if the third letter has got a fatha, the first letter, the hamzatul wasal, will carry a zir, the kasra. So you'll say ittakhadhuhu, ittakhadhuhu. If this was a Dhamma, then the first one would also be a Dhamma. The Hamzatul Wasal would have a Dhamma. If this was a Kasra, then the Hamzatul Wasal would also have a Kasra. So this is how it is. It needs to be. There are certain words that doesn't happen on ibn and things like that. About 7 or 8 of those words, and it also depends on whether it's a fail, like a doing word, it's a verb. It all depends on that. But I just wanted to show you this, that this is something that's not we don't know about this in our Pakistani Musaf, in the subcontinent one. I'll just show you that in a minute. Okay, look at this word here. How are you supposed to pick this up? So here it doesn't have anything on it, and I had to learn that this was actually irji'i, and later on I learned that actually if the hamzatul wasl is followed by a ra sakin and you're picking it up from there, the ra sakin will be strong. It won't be ir, but it'll be actually irji'i. Okay, so that's something I learned, and I think it's an important thing to know.